Hi, I'm Christina Kressler, and I'm going to be telling you about the sentinelling behavior in Gambel's quails, Calipepla gambeli. First, I'd like to introduce you to my animal and behavior of interest. As you can see in the video, a group of quails are shown at the quail feed block in my backyard on a rare snowy day in Tucson. They often come in groups of 2 to 15 or so to feed here in the early morning and at dusk. The behavior I'm interested in is called sentinelling and is defined by Holland et al. 2011 as one individual of a group adopting a raised position above foraging individuals and keeping watch for predation risks while communicating with the group. In quails, it's almost always the male that does this. Here is one example where the male is perched on a raised rock. However, in my yard, sentinels usually perch on top of the fence, as you will see later in the video. Next, I'm going to discuss the proximate and ultimate explanations for this behavior. Not much literature was available on Gambel's quails in particular, but other taxa exhibit sentinelling behavior as well, such as meerkats and various species of babbler, a cooperatively breeding bird. Starting with proximate, I hypothesized that the behavior could be caused by the reception of visual cues about the environment, leading the quails to sentinel more when specific conditions are present. Holland et al. 2011 assert that many species of social birds and mammals show increased sentinel behavior and associated calling in visually obstructed habitats and when it's windy. Both of these conditions make it more difficult to spot predators and thus make sentinels more beneficial. My backyard is very open and not obstructed, but is often windy and the quail groups do not always have a sentinel. My hypothesis for the developmental component of the behavior is, over the lifespan of male quails, they only sentinel when they reach adulthood. It is possible some component of the behavior is learned, since fathers will sentinel when the babies forage. According to Holland, Kloeten-Brock, and Manzer 2007, meerkat sentinels become more effective at communicating danger as they age due to the gathering of experience. This might explain why only adult males are seen sentinelling in quails. And on to ultimate mechanisms. Evolutionarily, sentinelling as part of a cooperative behavior pattern appears in distantly related taxa such as some mammals and some birds. According to Ridley, Nelson Flower, and Thompson 2013, sentinel behavior likely evolved because it is adaptive to be cooperative, and because multiple bird species show this type of behavior, it's likely from a common ancestor. Adaptively, male quails maximize their inclusive fitness by alerting their mate or offspring or group members to potential danger during foraging, while putting themselves at an increased risk of predation and skipping foraging opportunities. According to Wright et al. 2001, though, some sentinel behavior could be more selfish than cooperative as was originally thought. And that's the end, folks. Hope you liked it, and thank you very much for watching.